In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily send photo as document on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro and 15 Pro Max on iOS 17. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first of all, guys, unfortunately we are not able to use inbuilt messages app to send photos and as document on our iPhones. To do that, we need to use third-party apps such as WhatsApp and Telegram. In this video, I'm gonna show you how we can send photos as documents on both of these apps. Let's start with WhatsApp. Once you are at WhatsApp app, just open up a conversation. Then tap right here at this plus and select document. After that, tap at choose photo or video. It will open up our camera roll, and from here we are able to select a picture to send it as a document. Also, right from here, we are able to select multiple pictures at once. To do that, just long press on the picture, tap at select, and then in that way, we can select multiple pictures or videos to send all of them at once. On Telegram, get into a conversation. I'm just gonna open up a conversation with myself. Then tap at that paperclip. And down below, select File. After that, at the very top, tap at Select from Gallery. And in the same way, we are able to select multiple pictures or videos to send all of them as documents in one click. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.